Today we're going to recreate this beautiful, glowy, gorgeous look from Halle. I'm going to try to recreate this look that she has on my face. So let's get right into it without further ado. So to prep my skin, I'm using Zikel Skin Fit Primer. This primer is a mattifying primer, so I'm just going to apply a little amount and I'll use my hands to blend that into my skin. Do not apply primer underneath your eye. I'm going in with this matte powder from Micolor. I'm going to apply this all over my face. This is just going to help my face stay matte. For foundation, I'm going in with this too. I'm going to apply this with my brush. That know me, you know I'm a blush girl. I love blush. I'm using this color palette from Sparkle Beauty. Most of the products I'm gonna use are Nigerian brand. Shade right here and this one. Just a bit. Then that upwards. I'm gonna apply this here. Drag that down on my forehead. I'm using Jacklyn Eye Coverage Concealer. I use this underneath my eyes and in the areas that I want to highlight. So I'm going to spray my face with this setting spray from Morphe. It's a makeup fixing spray. It also has SPF, which is really cool. Go in with this brush to blend, then I'll use a beauty sponge. Use this to blend everything together. I'm going to use this powder palette from Classic. Using this shade, I'm going to press it in. And I'm going to set the rest of my face. But I'm going in with this shade, Ebony. To go in with my setting powder, Very Nice Luxury Powder, the shade. So I'm going to start off with my first transition shade, the shade I used to contour my nose. Tap, dust that off, giving my eyes some definition. I'm going in with this shade right here from this palette. I'm going to use this one right here. I'll go in with this kind of like flat brush. It's a synthetic brush. Just place it there and press it in. Use the NYF eyeliner and line my upper eye. Did the eyeliner and I did my brows off camera. I'm just going to blend the brows out. To line my lips, I'm going to use Davy's pencil. I'm going over it with this concealer from Sparkle Beauty. Take this nude lip and go over. I'm going to go in with this lip stain from Classic Makeup. Just dab like a bit because this is very pigmented. I'm going to use this lip gloss from Huda Beauty. I'm going to to set my face with Scarlet Makeup Fix Spray. And we're done. This look is gorgeous. This look is beautiful. I hope I tried to record this look here. If you think I killed it, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys so much, so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.